Okay, let's uncover the secret to turning the full back wall into leg drapes. First, we need to set up the canopy tent. Usually, a full back wall is attached to the canopy tent with Velcros like this in the video. Then is the key moment for turning the full wall into a leg drape. Paste one corner of the full wall to the canopy valance, pleat fold the full wall, and attach each pleat to the valance with Velcros. When all pleats are fixed to the valance, tie all the pleats to the tent leg, and then a beautiful leg drape is completed. Repeat the step above to make 2 balanced leg drapes for your canopy tent. Da-da-da! An elegant scalloped valance tent with drapes is ready for your showcasing. Interested in our products or videos? Feel free to leave comments and subscribe to our channel.